If you want to learn how to make your own chain, stick around. I'm going to show you how. Stay tuned for part 2 where I'll show you how to make the clasp. So this is the link that we are going to make, and you need a million of these. So what I'm using is bare brass or raw brass, and this one is 20 gauge or 0.8 millimeters, and the brand is Zebra wire. I get them from Inspire with Wire if you're in Australia. Measure and cut little pieces that are about 2 centimeters in length. Take your round nose pliers and put it like that at the end, and you're going to bend it inwards halfway and then take it out and then bend the rest of the way. Sorry if you can't see it properly, but like that. It should look like that. Hold it this way between your thumb and index finger, and you're going to take this piece and bend it kind of like on top, so it goes that way, and just join it up. And you need few pieces like this to create a whole chain. So the number of pieces obviously depends on how long your chain, how long you want your chain to be. But yeah, once I made a few pieces, I'll show you how to connect them. So I've made few pieces and I'll show you how to link it.